Being broke can feel overwhelming, but the truth is, it's not a permanent condition. It's a starting point. If you've ever felt stuck financially, unsure of how to break free from paycheck to paycheck living, or worried about your future, this video is for you. Today, we're diving deep into strategies and mindset shifts that will help you escape financial struggles and start building a stable, prosperous future. By the end of this video, you'll have practical steps you can take immediately to change your situation. Let's talk about what it takes to go from feeling broke to building a life of financial independence. These strategies aren't just for dreamers, they're for doers like you. If you're ready to take control of your financial destiny, let's get started. When you're broke, it's easy to feel trapped in a cycle of scarcity, constantly focusing on what you don't have. But here's the truth: what you focus on expands. To change your financial situation, you first need to change your mindset. Start by shifting your focus from scarcity to abundance. One powerful way to do this is through gratitude. It might sound simple, but taking a moment each day to list what you're grateful for can rewire your brain to see opportunities instead of obstacles. For example, you may not have a lot of money, but you might have skills, free resources like libraries, or even access to the internet, tools that can help you grow. Next, challenge limiting beliefs about money. Maybe you've grown up hearing phrases like, "Money doesn't grow on trees," or "We can't afford that." These beliefs can create mental barriers that hold you back. Replace them with empowering affirmations like, "I am capable of earning and managing wealth." Visualization is another key tool. Picture the life you want in vivid detail. Imagine the home you'll live in, the freedom you'll feel, and the opportunities you'll create. This mental rehearsal can motivate you to take actions that align with your goals. Remember, your current financial situation doesn't define your future. By believing in your ability to change and focusing on the resources you do have, you're already taking the first step toward breaking free from being broke. The first step to controlling your finances is knowing exactly where your money is going. Most people don't realize how small expenses add up, creating a financial leak in their budgets. Start by tracking every penny you spend for 30 days. Use apps like Mint or even a simple notebook to document your expenses. At the end of the month, categorize your spending into needs, wants, and waste. For example, you might find that daily $5 coffee adds up to $150 a month, a significant amount that could be saved or invested. Once you've identified your spending habits, create a budget. The 50-30-20 rule is a great place to start. Allocate 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings or debt repayment. If you're broke, your percentages may look different, but the key is to ensure you're prioritizing essentials and savings over non-essentials. Cutting unnecessary expenses can feel restrictive, but it's actually empowering. For instance, consider canceling unused subscriptions or cooking at home instead of eating out. These small changes can free up cash flow, giving you the flexibility to invest in your future. Most importantly, track your progress regularly. Reviewing your budget monthly helps you stay on course and make adjustments as needed. Remember, awareness is the first step to financial freedom. Feeling inspired? Want to learn how to take control of your finances and start building income streams? Don't miss our video, How to Create Income Streams with No Money. Click the link in the description below to unlock actionable steps to grow your wealth. If you're finding value in this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more tips that can transform your financial future. Share your thoughts in the comments. What's the first step you're taking to break free from being broke? When you're broke, cutting expenses is only part of the solution. Increasing your income is just as crucial. The most effective way to do this is by developing high-demand skills. Consider skills like coding, graphic design, copywriting, or digital marketing. These can often be learned for free or at a low cost through platforms like YouTube, Coursera, or Udemy. For example, learning basic coding can open doors to freelance projects or entry-level tech jobs that pay significantly more than minimum wage. Leverage your existing talents. Are you good at photography, writing, or organization? Turn those into side hustles. Apps like Fiverr, Upwork, and TaskRabbit connect freelancers with clients looking for services. Don't underestimate the power of certifications. Even if you don't have a degree, short-term certifications in fields like IT, project management, or healthcare can boost your earning potential dramatically. Research local programs or online options that fit your interests. Networking is another game changer. Attend community events, join online groups, or connect with mentors in your desired field. Building relationships can lead to job referrals, freelance opportunities, and invaluable advice. Remember, every skill you develop adds value to your personal portfolio, making you more marketable and opening doors to higher-paying opportunities. When you're broke, the idea of saving or investing might feel impossible, but even small amounts can make a big difference. The key is to start where you are. Begin by setting aside just $1 a day. At the end of a month, you'll have $30, a small but powerful start. Use a high-yield savings account to make your money grow faster than a traditional account. Once you've built a small savings cushion, explore micro-investing platforms like Acorns or Robinhood. These apps allow you to invest spare change or small amounts, making it accessible even for beginners. Over time, these investments can grow significantly thanks to compound interest. Automate your savings. If you're earning income, set up automatic transfers to a savings account on payday. This pay-yourself-first strategy ensures you're prioritizing your future before spending. Consider creating an emergency fund. Even a modest $500 fund can protect you from financial setbacks like car repairs or unexpected bills, preventing you from falling deeper into debt. The key is consistency. Whether it's $1 a day or $50 a month, building the habit of saving and investing creates a foundation for financial stability. One of the biggest challenges when you're broke is avoiding debt traps. Recognizing the difference between good debt and bad debt is crucial to breaking free. Good debt, on the other hand, is an investment in your future, like taking out a low-interest loan for education, a small business, or real estate that appreciates in value. If you're already in debt, focus on paying it off strategically. Use methods like the snowball approach, where you tackle smaller debts first for quick wins, or the avalanche approach, where you focus on high-interest debts first to save money over time. Apps like Debt Payoff Planner can help organize your repayment plan. Avoid falling into new debt traps by living within your means. This might require lifestyle adjustments, like downsizing your living situation or cutting out unnecessary expenses. While it may feel restrictive at first, it's a step toward long-term freedom. Additionally, educate yourself on financial literacy. Understanding how interest rates work, what penalties to avoid, and how to negotiate better terms with creditors can save you money and reduce stress. Seek out free resources, like online financial literacy courses or community workshops. Finally, remember that avoiding bad debt and using good debt wisely are building blocks to financial independence. Debt isn't inherently bad, but it needs to be managed carefully and intentionally. When you're broke, your environment plays a significant role in your mindset and opportunities. Surrounding yourself with a strong financial network can be a game changer. Start by seeking mentors, people who have successfully navigated financial struggles and come out stronger. Their insights and experiences can help you avoid common pitfalls and identify opportunities you might have overlooked. Engage with like-minded individuals. Join community groups, online forums, or social media communities focused on financial growth. Sharing your goals and learning from others creates a support system that keeps you motivated. If you're feeling stuck, consider finding an accountability partner. This could be a friend, family member, or colleague who shares similar financial goals. Check in with each other regularly to track progress, share strategies, and stay on course. Leverage professional networks for career opportunities. Platforms like LinkedIn are invaluable for connecting with industry professionals, finding job openings, and learning from experts in your field. Networking isn't just about asking for help. It's about building mutually beneficial relationships. Your financial network can also include access to free or affordable financial advice. Many communities offer nonprofit financial counseling services that can help you create a budget, understand credit, and plan for the future. Remember, your network is a resource. Use it wisely. When you're broke, it's easy to get caught up in short-term survival. However, setting long-term financial goals can provide clarity and motivation to move forward. Start by envisioning where you want to be in 5, 10, or 20 years. Write down specific goals, such as owning a home, retiring comfortably, or traveling the world. The more detailed your vision, the easier it will be to create actionable steps. Break your long-term goals into smaller milestones. For example, if you want to save $50,000 in 5 years, focus on saving $10,000 per year or $833 per month. Achieving smaller milestones gives you a sense of accomplishment and keeps you motivated. Reassess and adjust your goals as needed. Life is unpredictable and your financial priorities may change. Flexibility ensures that your goals remain relevant and attainable. Create visual reminders of your goals. Vision boards, sticky notes, or digital screensavers can help keep your objectives at the forefront of your mind. Seeing your goals daily reinforces your commitment to achieving them. Finally, remember that building wealth and financial security is a marathon, not a sprint. Long-term goals require patience, discipline, and consistency, but they offer lasting rewards. Stay focused and trust the process. Being broke is just a chapter in your story, not the whole book. By shifting your mindset, managing your money wisely, building skills, and starting small investments, you can transform your financial life. The journey isn't easy, but it's worth it. Ready to take your financial knowledge to the next level? Watch our next video, How to Create Income Streams with No Money, for strategies to build wealth from scratch. Subscribe, turn on notifications, and take the next step toward your financial transformation. This video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial or investment advice. Please consult a financial advisor for guidance tailored to your specific situation.